Well, I asked him, I said, if we gave immediate feedback for you and how your kids performed in your classroom, if there was a way to do that, like we had talked about being able to tabulate it quickly and get it back, I said, would you find that information valuable? And he said, oh, yeah, you could do that. So it was kind of like, well, I'm giving the test, but I'm going to get something right away that I can use in my classroom to make a decision about how I'm going to group kids or how I'm going to teach differently and modify, as opposed to something that's going to be given to them months later.
Well, but Mark,
and I thought,
why are they waiting months later? I mean, why aren't they looking at their rosters? You know what I mean?
I can't answer that question. I can't answer. I'm just saying that. What was that?
Because I've talked to a lot of teachers who say, you know, independent of what ALT does in tabulating school-wide, who basically do the assessment, record the results before they tally, and then they start scrutinizing, you know, which of my kids moved from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3.
Yeah, I'm not arguing. I'm just saying. I'm just stating a fact.
But they're probably not doing that.
Well,
it's possible.
Okay, fair enough. I mean, just
one thing I noticed was C-Track finished their results earlier, so we kind of had to tabulate C-Track's results so we could show them how they did, and then B and A finished more at the same time. I think it was like B and C finished at the same time, and then in the beginning of the year, because when they're on track together, and then at the end of the year, B and A finished at the same time. But if you don't show them how they did, like right after the results were done, like we did show with C-Track before they went off track and finished their year, it was helpful. Also, by doing it that way throughout the year, the other tracks, even though they hadn't done their testing yet, saw what was happening, and then it kind of drove what lessons we were going to pick all along.
So, if I'm hearing you right, what you're saying is coming together as a grade level to look at the results, probably
right after they were due.
It's really important for getting individual teachers to go back and look at individual results for their class.
Right.